Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting by locking down the basics that actually cause blur. Open Settings and set base canvas and output, scaled resolution to the same values so OBS isn't upscaling or downscaling in real time. Next, set FPS to 30 or 60 based on how smooth you need motion to be. Higher FPS needs more bandwidth. Finally, verify each source type is the proper capture mode. Game capture for full-screen games versus display capture for desktop, to avoid software resizing artifacts. Once your canvas and sources are correct, focus on how OBS compresses frames. Pick a hardware encoder like NVENC or QuickSync when possible. They offload work and preserve sharpness. Set bitrate around 8,000 to 12,000 kbps for 1080p recordings. Higher bitrates yield clearer detail. Use constant bitrate or a well-configured VBR with a sensible max rate so the encoder doesn't overcompress complex scenes. Also, increase keyframe interval to 2 seconds and choose preset/quality to balance CPU usage and clarity. Finish by polishing filters and scaling choices to eliminate residual blur. For any resizing, select Lanxos with 36 samples in OBS for the sharpest resampling. It's slower but preserves edges. Avoid lossy filters like bilinear if you want crisp output. Use it only for low-power systems. Do a short test recording and inspect at 100% zoom to verify clarity. If blur persists, raise bitrate or switch encoders. Troubleshooting tip. If recordings look sharp live but blurred after import, check your player or editor scaling settings. They may be downscaling during playback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.